Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to draw and color yummy fruit grapes. Now, grab your crayons or colors, and let's have fun drawing and coloring grapes together. Let's start. Grapes are small, round, and juicy fruits that grow in big bunches. They can be purple, green, red, or even black. They are sweet, tasty, and fun to eat.
Wipers on the basket go swish, 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 swish. Wipers on the basket go swish, 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 all day long.
Brown color.
Open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus stay open and shut all
Green color.
Bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. Bell on the bus goes ding, 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 all day long. People in the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. People in the bus go up and down all day long. Wheels in the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels in the bus go round and round all day long, all day long, all day long. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Horse on the bus goes beep, 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 beep.
Goodbye.